This video demonstrates how to create a simple menu with buttons for navigating through the application. The first step is preparation. Then, creation a button with a simple action to open a window. Next, preparation a group of buttons to change diagram parameters in the main window. Finally, check of the functionality of the Open Diagram action. For the navigation training, it is necessary to prepare the main window, which was set up in previous training videos. This main window is declared in the station settings as the application startup window. Next, an analog window is required, featuring a panel with a default diagram, one of the pre-configured diagrams. To open a child window from the application, a new button must be added to the navigation diagram. First, right-click and choose Objects from drop-down menu, then select Button. Next, place the button on the screen by clicking and dragging the mouse cursor. In State Properties, change the Off Text property to Analog. In the Event section, add a new action by clicking the Action button. From the action list, choose Windows Management and select the action named Open Window. Select the window, Analog. Click OK to create the action, then click OK to end editing action. The application can be run by selecting Run Application from the architect's top bar. Clicking on the Analog button will open the new child window, Analog. This window will have predefined default properties. Return to architect mode by closing all windows. To replace Diagram to Antor within the same window, add another button. In State Properties, change the Off Text to Default. In the Event section, create a new action in the Button on Action field. Select an action from the top menu, then from Windows Management, choose Open Window. Choose Main Window from the drop-down list. Select the panel Main from the drop-down list. Scroll down. Select the diagram Start. This diagram has a default background parameter set to green. To proceed, click OK buttons. Add another button. Right-click on the diagram and select Button from the context menu. In State Properties, name it by changing the Off Text to Red. Go to Events and modify the Button on Action. Choose the action group from the top menu, then from Windows Management, select Open Window again. Select Main Window as the window. Select Main as the panel. Select the diagram Start. Change the parameter to Red. Confirm by clicking the OK buttons. Duplicate the red button using the shortcut Ctrl+D. Then move it down. Go to the Events section in the Properties panel to edit button action. In the last parameter of the action, change the background to blue. In State Properties, change the Off Text to blue as well. After running the application, it will be possible to change the diagram color to red, blue, or restore it to the default. Return to architect mode by closing Main Window. Next, check how the Open Diagram action functions. Before proceeding, some preparation is required. Go to the Application Explorer to create a new diagram. Name it Alarm and create it. Change the background to red. Add a new button. Right-click on the diagram and choose Button. Draw the button in the bottom right corner. In State Properties, change the Off Text to Close. In the Event section, modify the Button on Action. In the action form, select the Action from the top menu, then from Windows Management, choose Close Window. The window name can be selected from the drop-down list or entered manually using wildcards. asterisks and question marks. Leave this field blank to close the current window only. When the next parameter is toggled to true, this action will close all windows matching the specified name pattern. Confirm the choices by clicking OK buttons. Close and save the diagram. In the navigation diagram, create a new button. In State Properties, name it Alarm. Go to Events and set a new action in Button On. Choose the action Open Diagram. Select the diagram name Alarm with no parameters. Scroll down and select the window title, changing it to Alarm. Select the mode for the new window from the list: Normal, Dialog or Temporary. A dialog window prevents interaction with other areas outside of it until it is closed. A temporary window will close if user clicked anywhere outside its area. The default option is Normal. Below, horizontal and vertical coordinates in pixels can be chosen, or cursor location and current window, active location, can be selected. The default is cursor location. In the window settings, additional configurations can be selected. Check the option No buttons. The last parameter defines how other windows will close during performing opening action. The diagram can be opened in a temporary window without closing other windows. It is possible to close all closable windows. All windows except the current window can be closed. Only the current window can be closed. Or the current window can be replaced by the new one. The default is None. To confirm the choices, click the OK buttons. Run the application to check the result. Clicking the Alarm button will open a new window displaying the alarm diagram. Click the Close button to close this window. Thank you for watching.